I'm working on the air conditioner reinstall right now. You can see where I drew a black line across here with my Sharpie. So when you put this on there, that's what holds the window unit against the window when it's hanging out the window. But in this case, you hold it against the wall while it's hanging out the wall. And I like for it to protrude out a little bit further. So if I take this, turn around this way, and the holes will match up pretty good. Well, I said the holes will match up. And that will give me another 1.25 inches out the window. Well, after I do part of trimming this off right here where that black line is, then it'll be flat. So otherwise, it wouldn't go past here. And if you make a big enough hole where it would go like that, then you know that you get too big of a gap. So the next thing we'll do believe it or not, I'll bring a pencil in here. Okay. So right here is where the feet on the bottom of the AC fit. I'll trim that out 1.25 inches there, 1.25 inches there, and just I'll straight lines. Scratch it, and then we'll saw that out, chisel it out. For this part, you can just, and I'm kind of hoping this will work. I'm pretty sure this will work. You can take some sizable 10 shears. You don't have to cut it on this side. You can cut it down here, but then you run a chance of cutting it too close to the holes. And if you just go like this should be adequate. Just have to go a little at a time. You can do this, or you can get your angle grinder and a cut-off blade. Go that, stepping on a chisel down there. Go that direction. I know there's got to be a better way of doing this, but it's the only way I can think of right now. Works pretty good. You need that Kung Fu grip. G.I. Joe Kung Fu grip though. So I'll finish that on the bench. A little tight in here for space. So yeah, it's going to go that direction. Keep snipping it just like that. Finish that on the bench. Or here. We'll measure our 1.25 inches here. earthquake, huh? It'd be great if I had more space between here and between that and this, then I could run this with a router. That's okay. I was trying to leave that little bit of wood there, but now I can always put the chip back in there if I need it. One of the great things about working with white pine is that white pine is soft, easy to carve and easy to chisel, and that should do it. Now I'll do the same thing on this side, and I may cut that off and put that little piece right back there. I don't know, we'll see. So when we come back, I'll probably have test fitted the AC with this piece on. See, it goes like that, and then once I cut the front off of it, let's see, yeah, went like this. So once I cut the front off, it'll allow it to go back another 1.25 inches, and I still have a screw hole there to screw it to the wall for safety, so nobody can steal it or it won't fall out. All right, bye then. Tim Teardrop Camper without a galley until I'm getting tired. Okay, I'm going to go take a nap. Thank you for watching.